Hello friends, it is Running Kimono. I hope you're all doing great. We're going to talk about the best gain deals this week over at the Dollar General. Obviously the 24th, which is Saturday, the biggest savings, pairing this guy with the 5 off of 25. This specific Dollar General coupon is of a one-time use, so if you haven't used it, you can use it this Saturday possibly. So we're going to stack this guy with the 5 off of 25. If you're going to go before Saturday, it's an extra $5. On Saturday, the extra $5 of savings. Couple rules here. Obviously, as stated, Saturday is the biggest savings when you can stack the two Dollar General coupons. You have to purchase $30 of Gain merch to make sure that the 5 off of 30 comes off. Use the Dollar General app to scan to make sure you're grabbing the right stuff. Pay attention. Any issues you have at checkout, you can void your transaction and all your digital coupons should stay on your account. Not all markets this works, this stack, and these are Michigan prices, so if it's a little bit more or less, depending where you're living in the United States, just be mindful of that. Okay, so this little gem, which is you're going to get a $7 digital coupon if you spend $30 on P&G brands. So this will appear after you make the purchase on your digital coupons folder that, hey, the coupon is validated. So then what you would have to do is go and buy 7.01, like $7.01 of P&G products to use this. It's on those specific products. Let's take a wait and see approach with this. I'm not going to put it in the final mathematics because we're not sure if they're going to change this around or if you have to spend exactly $30 outright. It's a newer sort of coupon and promotion. So I want to just use the wait and see approach. I will post something on both my Instagram and here, pinned at the comments at the very top of this video, that if it's a go, I'll let you guys know, or if there's a bunch of hiccups and problems, I'll also let you know. I will pin a comment by me about this specific P&G coupon. Okay, so the first deal is 100% digital, and we have the following boosters that include this guy, which is the 5 off of 30. So please make sure you have all of the following loaded to your store card, along with the 5 off of 25. So you need these two to make a deal happen. So first off, we're going to be grabbing one of these items for $6.95, whichever one you want. Make sure you're scanning to make sure that the digital coupon is applying to it. And then we're also going to grab one of these more posh products for $13.50. So either the fireworks or the flings. I think you guys know I have a problem with the big thing of Gain flings. I think it's great value. And then we need these two digitals loaded, which is the 3 off and the $2 off coupon. Now, taking a quick scan of the Gain flings here, see the $3 attaching, the 7 off 30 is attaching, and then the 5 off of 30 is attaching. So you want to see this specific stack when you're buying products. So make sure there's lots of different cents in the Gain line that you're seeing a stack like this with the $7 off along with the 5 off of 30 for Gain. Now we're also going to grab 2 of these Gain dish soaps. Find it in the regular dishwashing aisle, or you can find this possibly on an end cap. Look high and low in that section. They usually have it hidden all over the store. And then we need this digital coupon loaded, which is $1 off 2. And then we're going to grab 2 of the Febreze small spaces with the Gain scent. That Gain logo has to be on it, and make sure you scan it because I think there's one it doesn't attach and it's like meh. So please make sure you're grabbing the right one. And then we need this wonderful digital, which is the 3 off of 2 loaded to your store card for this little scenario. So looking at the mathematics for this, 1 Gain detergent for $6.95, 1 Gain fling, the 51 count for $13.50, 2 Gain dish soaps at $2 each, that's $4, 2 Gain Febreze with Gain, the small spaces, they're $3 each, that's $6. Adding up this little chorus line, we have a total of $30.45. As the cashier is scanning your merchandise, that's when you punch in your phone number. The cashier presses the final pay button. 5 off of 25 and 5 off of 30 are coming off, along with $9 of digital manufacturers that I showed you in the slides previous. You're left with paying $11.45 out of pocket plus your tax, shaking out each product to $1.90 each. Now, if you get that 701 on your account following all this magic, it would be like $4.45 for all of the items, are 74 cents each. So we're going to have to wait and see how this plays out. If it does, this might be the most amazing Gain Saturday in the history of the Dollar General. It's going to be really fantastic. Okay, the next deal that we have again is digital. So we're going to need the following: our 5 off of 25, along with the 5 off of 30 for the Gain products. Okay, so we're going to grab 2 Febreze car clips with the Gain scent. This one is attaching, which is Moonlight Breeze, along with 2 Febreze small spaces with the Gain scent at $3 each, so that's $6. Okay, and we're going to need the following digitals loaded. That include the 3 off of 2 for the Febreze Air Care, the small spaces, and then the 3 off of 2 for the car clips. We're also grabbing this guy for $13.50, and then we need this $3 digital coupon loaded to our store card, along with 2 of these Gain dish soaps, and then we need this dollar off 2 digital loaded to our store cards. Okay, here's the mathematics for this one. 2 of the Febreze with Gain scent, those car clips, the double pack, $5 each, that's $10 on the nose. 2 Febreze with Gain, the small spaces at $3 each, that's $6. 1 Gain Fling 51 count is $13.50. 2 Gain dish soaps, that's $4 on the nose, they're $2 each. So the total here is $33.50. As the cashier is scanning all of your merchandise, that's when you punch in your phone number on the keypad. 5 off of 25 and 5 off of 30 Dollar General store coupons are coming off, along with $10 of digital manufacturers, for a price point of $13.50 for the 7 items, or $1.92 per product. Okay, the final deal that we have, we're going to use 1 insert coupon. We need this Dollar General 5 off of 30 loaded to your store card. Okay, so we're also going to need this guy loaded, which is the 5 off of 25. We're going to grab 2 of these items, so for $6.95, whichever 2 you want to pick, but please make sure that the 5 off of 30 along with the $2 digital are attaching. And then if you're doing one of those P&G deals, make sure the 7 off or whatever is also attaching. Then we're also going to grab 1 of these guys for $13.50, either the fireworks or the flings, whichever your choice. We need these 2 digitals loaded, which is the $3 off, along with the $2 off. Now in the July P&G, we have this wonderful $2 coupon. So yeah, make sure that you have at least 1 of these for this little dealio. It expires August the 14th. How lovely is that? And then we're also going to grab, to get our basket to 30, 2 of these Gain dish soaps. And then we need this little generous dollar off 2 digital coupon loaded. Okay, so looking at the mathematics for this, 2 of the Gain detergents, the 70 ounces, that's $13.90. They're $6.95 a pop. 1 Gain Fling 51 count is $13.50, and then 2 Gain dish soaps at $2 each is $4, for a total here of $31.40. As the cashier is scanning all of your stuff, that's when you punch in your phone number at checkout, and then what you're going to do, the total is $31.40. You still present the one $2 coupon. The cashier will press the pay button, and then the 5 off of 25 and the 5 off of 30 will come off. It doesn't matter that the total is less than 30 after that $2 coupon. It won't affect the mathematics until the final pay button is pressed. That's when all the numbers aggregate. I know it doesn't make sense, but it does at checkout. So 5 off of 25 and 5 off of 30 come off, along with $6 of digital manufacturers. You're left with paying $13.40 out of pocket, and fingers and toes crossed if we do get that 701 coupon back digitally. It makes it such a better deal. So I will let you guys know Saturday morning what I find out, and I will definitely be doing some of these Gain deals. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.